Myself Sachin Gaware from Aravind B College, Shrampur. In today's lecture, we continue our chapter permutation combination. Now, in this lecture, we see the combination. Now, combination is the selection of R object from n different, or we can say n distinct object. That is, if we select R objects or set of R object from n distinct object, it is called as a combination, and this combination is denoted by NCR or NCR or NCR. There are three ways to denote the combination. Remember again, the combination is the selection of R objects from given n distinct object, and it is denoted, it is defined as NCR equals to n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. Obviously, we select the R objects. So, the restriction on R becomes 0 is less than or equals to R is less than or equals to n. Now, we know the definition of factorial notation, or we can calculate the factorial notation. Now, so after simplifying this factorial notation, there are some particular results for the combinations. Now, the first result is NC0 equals to NCN, that is selection of none of the object, or selection all the objects is always equals to 1. Similarly, number 2, NCR is always equals to NC n minus R. This shows that selection of R objects is equivalent to selection of n minus R objects. Number third is NCR plus NC R minus 1 is equals to n plus 1 CR, which is equals to n plus 1 CR. Now, the next result is NCS equals to NCR. If NCS equals to NCR, this implies that S equals to R or S equals to n minus R. S equals to n minus R. And lastly, the relation between permutation and the combination. Now, see here, we know that NPR, that is arrangement of R object from n object, is given by n factorial upon n minus R factorial. And similarly, for this combination, NCR equals to n factorial upon R factorial into n minus R factorial. Now, if we replace this n factorial into n minus R factorial by this NPR, that is the permutation, we get NCR equals to NPR upon R factorial, and after simplification it gives R factorial equals to NPR upon NCR. This is a very important result which gives the relation between a permutation and a combination. Now, we see some examples for this combination. Formulas of the combination, that is NCR equals to n factorial upon R factorial into n minus R factorial. Now, the first example is a simple one, that is calculate 15C4. We have to calculate 15C4. Now, here the value of n is 15, the value of R is 4. Now applying the formula for NCR, that is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, it gives 15 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 15 minus 4 factorial. Now we can simplify it. So this can be written as again 15 factorial upon 4 factorial, and this 15 minus 4 becomes 11 factorial. Now this 15 factorial, by using the property of factorial notation, this 15 factorial can be written as 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial divided by this 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and this 11 factorial is as it is, that is into this 11 factorial. Now this 11 factorial gets cancelled. Next 4 into 3 becomes 12, and this 12 gets cancelled. So 2 7s are 14. So finally we get it is 15 into 7 into 13. 15 into 7 into 13, and after take this multiplication, it is found to be 1365. It is found to be 1365. Now the next example, suppose number 2, again we have to calculate 15C4 plus 15C5. 15C4 plus 15C5. Now to calculate this value, we use the result, that is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to N plus 1CR. By using this result, this can be written as 15 plus 1C5. 15 plus 1C5, which gives 16C5. Now again, this 16C5, by using the definition of combination, this can be written as 16 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 16 minus 5 factorials. That is equals to 16 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 11 factorial. Now we can simplify this one. This can be written as 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 and into 11 factorial divided by this 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and again this 11 factorial is as it is. Now this 11 factorial gets cancelled. This 4 into 3 12, and this 12 gets cancelled. Then if we multiply divide by this 5, it gives 3, and this by 2, this gives 7. So we get 16 into 3 into 7 into 13. And now if we take this multiplication, it is found to be 4368. It is found to be 4368. Now after this we solve some different examples. Now the first example is find the value of n. Find the value of n. Now number 1, our problem is 2nC3 is to nC2 equals to 52 is to 3. Now from this relation we have to find the value of n. Now this can be written as 2nC3 divided by nC2 equals to 52 upon 3. Now take the cross multiplication. So it gives 3 into 2nC3 equals to 52 into NC2. Now, by using the formula for NCR, that is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, this can be written as 3 into 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial equals to 52 into, again using formula, n factorial upon 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. Now we simplify this, reduce this 2n factorial up to 2n minus 3 factorial, and this 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 1, so it becomes 3 into 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 and into 2n minus 3 factorial, and divided by this 3 into 2 into 1, this is the value for this 3 factorial, and this 2n minus 3 factorial as it is. And on RHS, by the same way, this can be written as 52 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial means 2 into 1 and this n minus 2 factorial as it is. Now see here, this 2n minus 3 factorial and 2n minus 3 factorial gets cancelled. This 3 cancel, this 2 gets cancelled. Similarly here, this n minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial gets cancelled and this becomes 26. This becomes 26. Now we rewrite the remaining terms. So on LHS, remaining are 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 equals to. Now on RHS it is 26, here n also. On RHS it is 26n into n minus 1. 26n into n minus 1 is remaining. Now here this n again gets cancelled. Now take the 2 common from this factor, so it becomes 2 into this 2n minus 1 as it is. Here we take the 2 common, so remaining is n minus 1 only. And on RHS it is 26 into n minus 1. Again this n minus 1 gets cancelled. Now if we multiply by this 2, it becomes 4n minus 2 equals to 26. That is 4n equals to 28, and therefore we get n equals to 7. We get n equals to 7. In this way we can find the value of n. We can find the value of n. Now in next example, we use or we find both the unknowns n and r. So see the next example. Now see the example. Find n and r if npr equals to 720 and nc n minus r equals to 120. Now to solve this one, we know that one result of the combination, that is ncr, is always equals to nc n minus r. We see this result. So here nc n minus r is given to be 120. So we get ncr equals to 120. Also we have given that npr equals to 720. And again, by using the remark or the known result, we have r factorial equals to npr upon ncr. Now put these values NPR and NCR here, we get 720 upon 120. So by taking division, this we get R factorial equals to 6. R factorial equals to 6. Now we know that this 6 can be written as 3 into 2 into 1. And this 3 into 2 into 1, this again can be written as 3 factorial. So we get R factorial equals to 3 factorial, which implies that R equals to 3. We get the value of R equals to 3. Now, putting this value R equals to 3 in any one of the given terms, we can find the values of n. We can find the value of n. Now, here we put the value of R equals to 3 in permutation. So, we have NPR equals to 720. This is the given value. Now here we put the value of R equals to 3. So we get NP3 equals to 720. Now we use the formula for permutation. Now the formula for permutation is n factorial upon n minus R factorial. Here value of R is 3. So upon n minus 3 factorial equals to 720. Now again this reduce this n up to n minus 3. So this can be written as n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 factorial upon n minus 3 factorial equals to 720. Now this n minus 3 factorial gets cancelled. So we get n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. And these are the 3 consecutive numbers, natural numbers, product of 3 consecutive natural numbers. So we write this 720 as 10 into 9 into 8 as a product of 3 consecutive natural numbers. Now by comparing the largest or smallest numbers on LHS and RHS, we get the value of n. If we compare the largest number, so we get n equals to 10. So we get n equals to 10 and R equals to 3 for the relation NPR equals to 720 and NC n minus R equals to 120. Now we take one more example on another result. Now here we have to find the value of R. Find R if 11C4 plus 11C5 plus 12C5 12C6 plus 13C7 equals to 14CR. 14CR, and here we have to find the value of R here. Now we know that since NCR plus NCR minus 1 is always equals to N plus 1CR, we use this result. Now check these first two terms. These first two terms are of the type NCR and NCR minus 1. So the result is N plus 1CR. So this 11C4 plus 11C5 becomes 12C5. The result for the first two terms becomes 12C5. Now write the remaining two terms. So plus 12C6 plus 13C7 equals to 14CR. Again, for the first two terms, again use the same result. This 12C5 plus 12C6, becomes 13C6, and last term as it is, that is 13C7. So again we get it, which is equals to 14CR. Now this 13C6 plus 13C7 becomes 14C7 equals to 14CR. Now if we compare LHS and RHS, we get R equals to 7. We get R equals to 7. In this way, we can calculate the numerical problems on the combination by using the different formulas or different results of the combination. In next lecture, we solve some verbal problems depending on the combination. We will stop here. Thank you.